Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. Today I will be doing some more cooking for you as per usual. And today what I've got lined up is something called Tahchin. Now it's basically rice, yellow rice, mixed with yogurt, and it's got some chicken in there. So stay tuned, see how it is, how we make it, what we do, and so on. So, but before that, do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, MosToosifar. Also, subscribe to my, follow me on Instagram, MosToosifar, and let's get things going. We've got a pan. I put some hot water in there. That's going to come to a boil. That's going to be used for our rice. I've turned on the oven for this one, or not the oven, the cooker rather. We're going to put our chicken in there. Give it a go and let's see how it goes. So what you want to get in there first is some butter. We'll let that melt. Okay, get it all around. Once it's melted, we add our chicken. You want to cook the chicken nicely, make sure it gets good. Guys, the reason why you put butter in is to make it smell nice. Well, not just smell nice, but it actually gives it a better taste than just oil. What you want to do, get your chicken, just dip it in there. Okay. Get your spoon, plastic spoon obviously. As that's doing this thing, what you do is get your salt out, sprinkle some salt on there. You also sprinkle some black pepper on there, as well as turmeric. Okay. And mix it. Mix it, let all of it get that all colours, all the taste, everything in there. Get your oil, just a little bit so it doesn't burn underneath. Okay. Mix it up again, make sure everywhere gets oily. There you go. Right. And now, final stir. So, I'm gonna open this. Open the lid. I have got my rice washed, and you just pour it in. Okay. Give it a little wiggle like that, and it balances out. All you gotta do is just put some salt in there. Okay, give it another wiggle, and it's good. Put the lid back on. Let that sit there about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Half cooked you want it. Let's check on our chicken. See how things are going here. Looking lovely and it smells amazing. So far, so good. Okay, as this is boiling and this is cooking, what we're going to do is get ready to marinate our yogurt. Saffron, the gold dust. Put a bit in there because you'll need it. Okay, what I've done boiling water. Okay, a little bit more. Where's the spoon? Just get it all mixed. Okay, there's that. What you want to do actually, that guys, that looks beautiful, doesn't it? I'm just going to pour a tiny bit into here and then give it a mix so it gets the good colours and the taste. Okay, let that be. Where's the spoon for this? Give it a stir. Very quickly, nothing major. That's that. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is simply I've got some yogurt here, plain yogurt. Pour it in. Just be careful not to splash. A bit more. And we're good. Just mix it up. Let me turn this down. Mix it all up. So you marinate the yogurt with saffron. Okay. You want to get some salt and some pepper, not too much, just a bit. Okay, our rice is looking good. We will be taking that off shortly, but before we do that, what we have to do is break 2 eggs into here. So that's egg number 1. And egg number 2. Be careful not to drop any shells in. Let me just quickly get my hands. No shells in, be careful with that. Mix it all up. This will help it all stick together better and nicely. Yep, our rice is ready. So I will need to drain the water off that. I'm going to turn that off. And I'm going to turn our chicken down too. Sorry guys, just trying to multitask, as you do. Okay, so this is ready. I'm going to put this to a side for now. I'm going to drain our chicken and I'll be back shortly. Drain our chicken. I'm going to drain our rice. I'll be back shortly. So this is what it looks like when the rice is drained. This is low. What I'm going to do is tilt this in here and mix it all up. Hopefully it doesn't drop out of the thing. Oops. As I assumed it did. Alright guys, my hands are clean. We are all good. Okay. Have a little taste. Just as expected, half cooked. What I'm going to do, remove that. Mix this up. This is all mixed up nicely. What you want to do now is turn it back on, the oven. Or the oven, why can't you in the oven? Turn that on, the heat for that. Put some oil in there. A decent amount. Okay. Do a little swirl around. Guys, let me get rid of this. It's annoying me. Look at that. Give this one another stir. You know, you want to make sure it's cooked nicely, it's good. Okay. Can you hear that? That's starting to fry. You want to put a decent amount of rice in the pan. I'm going to see if I can lift up and show you guys in a sec. I hope so. Just be careful with the oil so it doesn't splash back onto you or anything. It is hot, you'll burn. Okay, so what I mean is that, just patting it all down, okay? There's that. What you want to do then is add your chicken, spread it evenly. Okay, chicken's all over the place, nicely, evenly, all looking good. Now, what you want to do, the rest of the rice, I'm going to lift this up to make it easier, goes on top. Again, you want to pattern out as well, cover all the chicken. The last thing that you want to see is just rice, nothing else. Okay. Get it in there. So I'm just gonna pour it in. It'll be a lot easier. Okay. Again, just like before, pattern it out. Pattern it out. Squish it down. Okay, low heat. Where's the lid? Low heat, let it cook. Okay, so it's been about a few minutes, it's been about 5 minutes I would say. It's been boiling up. What you want to do, get a cloth, right? Stick it on there. Open the lid. Wrap it around and then stick that one over the top. Leave it on low heat for about half an hour I would say, and then come check up on it again, see how it is. Hopefully by then it'll come out nice. So it's been about half an hour or a little bit longer and this has been going on. I've just recently turned up a little bit just before I switched on the video. Let's have a look. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. What I'm gonna do, get this, might as well turn it off. Get this, fits perfectly on there. Let the steam come out a little bit. Fits perfectly. I hope it doesn't crack. Get this, flip it over, and yeah, let's see how we do. Hopefully nothing messes up. Okay, that looks good. It looks good, or it sounded good. You guys ready for that? There you are. Voila. Ow. And that is what you call a fat off Tahchin. Enjoy, guys. Bon appetit. Whilst I'm here, let me can you hear that, guys? It's crispy. Let me just cut it. Show you guys what it looks like in the middle. Now it's just like chopping up like a slice of pizza, really. Yeah. Just show you that bit there. That is what it looks like on the inside. Everything's pretty much the same colour. Yeah, crispy top. Bon appetit, guys.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come